again. I did warn you, you might get a bit of too much of me this week, and I wasn't wrong. This morning, my lovely postie at 9 o'clock has delivered my So Hayley Jane box. So I'm very excited to open it. So I thought I'd quickly come on and show you. So I'm actually wearing my So Hayley Jane fabric from a couple of months ago in my self-drafted sheared top, which is nice. And I'm hoping you can't hear the fan that is keeping me cool at the moment, because at 9:25 in the morning I am already melting. So I love the menopause, it's amazing. That's the only thing I'm going to say. It's amazing, just great. We'll stop up there. But yes, so I have my So Hayley Jane box. So it is, as you can see, the sticker is still on it. I haven't opened it. So I will quickly show you what is in this box, and this time hopefully I will read it properly, because last time I didn't read it properly. So we'll go a bit slower and I will read it properly for you. So oh, it comes off nice and easy. I don't need scissors for that. So there we go. So we have the lovely, I haven't shown you anything, have I? Yep, lovely tissue paper in there. Let's see if I can get the book out and see what it says. Okay. Apologies, that was the morning phone call from my mum, who is going to turn up in a minute, so I may have to pause again in a minute. It's going to be one of those days. It's going to be one of those days. So we have got, and I like the look of what this is called this month, because I love things like polka dots and stuff like that. So this month it is called Spots and Dots. Spots and Dots. So, I mean, look at that confetti type thing. It's really pretty, like that. So, what have we got in here? So, Hayley is doing her usual hello. And it says here that the luxury boxes have an art gallery fabric, a cotton. And this month, the classic mini boxes, well, I won't tell you what it is actually. But I like the look of it already. Looks good. So the fat quarters this month have been on a theme. They are Abstract Jungle from Craft Cotton Company, featuring monochrome prints. Ooh. And then we've got some, oh yeah, look, the treat looks good as well. Right, okay, I'm not going to give away too much away, because it will be rubbish if I do that. So they've got lots of the usual stuff in here. The make of the month, the 3 boxes 3 makes, and Tamlin has done a fat quarter lanyard, which I may well have to make, because my uni lanyard is pretty awful. So that is the fat quarter lanyard that Tamlin's made, so I can see that being made soon. So I keep meaning to make one, and it's now nice I've got an instruction to do it, so I may well have to make one of them. And then there's some free patterns that are listed. So you've got ironing board covers, eye masks, pouches, a crown, a sandcastle bucket hat by Waves and Wild, and then Hayley's favourite things at the moment. Then the profile person is somebody called Becky, who subscribes to the luxury box. And then there is a little bit of a write-up about Made My Wardrobe. Okay, so and they do fabrics and kits and sewing patterns. So 16 sewing patterns and beautiful fabrics and kits to go along with them. There we go. And you get 10% off there with that. And then we've got the pattern picks by the Fold Line, the Makers Gallery, and then what's in the box. Okay, so we'll do that very quickly because I don't want you to see what it is. Okay, so there's the little booklet. Lovely. So now I'm going to open up my paper and see what's inside. This is the best bit, isn't it? So Okay. Oh, can't tear it. Ah. Right, there we go. Oh, right. Oh, I'm going to have to hide these from both my husband and my son. Look at the sweet treat. Jazzles. They are mine, all mine. I don't share sweets. Yeah, occasionally with the boy, the child, not necessarily with the husband, you know. But yeah, Jazzles. Lovely. I will be eating those today because I actually haven't had chocolate in a few days and I'm a bit need for it. So yeah, have some of them. That's cool. The dog's now trying to investigate them. Go away, dog. The free gift this month is so lemon patch labels. Oh, I might actually be able to nab one of those out there. Actually, let's see. Lemon patch label. Yeah, just managed to get that out. I do like that. That's cool. So there you go. You can probably get a little spot of them there, little pre-seed them. So they are labels, sewing labels by the Lemon Patch. But to go with the spots theme for this month, these uber cute labels say, well, I do love spots, and I really do love spots. So I think these are cute. These are so cute. So I will be using some of these, and as people have suggested, I will probably be using them. Sorry, Rachel knows. I will probably be using them on the outside because they are so cute. So love those. Looking forward to using those. The free gift this month, and this gives you a bit of a clue as to what the colour of the fabric is a zip. So I think that is probably an 8-inch zip by the look of it. So a nice invisible zip. They never go amiss, do they? They never go amiss. So yeah, a nice 8-inch zip, so that's good. A nice good quality one. You can feel it's another good quality thing. So yeah, lovely. And then, and I've actually been quilting yesterday, so I'm very much in the mood for these sorts of things with fat quarters. So we've got some absolutely gorgeous fat quarters. My mum loves monochrome and she will love these, so they may have to be incorporated into some sort of present for her for Christmas. Although this spot, love it. So the first one is this one here, and it's sort of like a little pebbly, rocky type shape one, but so cute, love it. Really, really nice. The four of them, I mean, obviously it's black and white, so they're going to go together, but the four of them go really lovely together. So then the next one is this here, which is sort of a hand sort of drawn line type thing. In fact, I made something very similar in my art lessons at uni last year. So love that. That would make a really nice bias binding, actually. Or something along those lines, like a trim or a, yeah, I see lots of fun with that actually, or you know, just something that would be good. I like that. And then some irregular spots. I mean, you just can't go wrong with black and white irregular spots, can you really? Let's be honest. So they are cool. And then look at them, like that too. Those dashes, they're very cool. So the four of them, they just go so well together. I mean, can you imagine the fun I can have? And like, no one's going to dislike something black and white, are they? It goes with everything, so you can make loads of Christmas presents out of these. They will be so cool. I think I'm going to earmark probably that one, the spotty one, for my lanyard. We'll see, but probably the spotty one, I think. But yeah, really like those. Okay, so I'm back again for the third time. That was my mum collecting the USB charger for the car. Unfortunately, I very stupidly left the box open next to my chair for the dog to get. And I can still show you what the thread will look like. I have no idea what she's eating, but she's eating the plastic. Joy. But this is now a nice chewed up Gutterman thread. She's a little bugger. She really is. This lovely sort of denim-y colour Gutterman thread. I don't think I'll be using that one. I'm very thankful that I have a Gutermann thread stand in my old workshop, so I will probably be retrieving a new one of these threads from the, the workshop. But this is to show you the colour of the fabric. And I'm very lucky that nothing else got taken, I suppose, really, because she could have had me jazzies and, oh, goodness me, we wouldn't have been happy about that, would we now? So, anyway, finally, the bit you've all been waiting for, the fabric. So, we know it's a sort of a denim colour, but it is a lovely double gauze, and it's got little gold. Let's see if I can put it close enough for you that you can see it. It's little gold spots on it. Now, I've seen people receive fabric like this before, and I'm fairly sure there was someone, I mean, I'll test it, but I'm fairly sure someone said that you can actually iron these spots, which is amazing. But obviously I will test it beforehand before I do such a thing. But this lovely soft double gauze, what I will make with it, I don't know, but I love it. I think I'll be going back to watch Ruan, the Yorkshire Sew Girls double gauze video again, just to see what I can find to make out of it, because it is lovely and it's very squidgy, and yeah, it's going to be nice and cool, so that'll be good. I'm very much looking forward to making this. So that is this month's Sew Hayley Jane box. Sorry for all the interruptions. My house is like Grand Central Station this morning, and and it's just a little bit chaotic, so hopefully you have managed to see it. Hopefully you've got a little bit of a laugh out of my dog, because she's entertaining, to say the least, a little bugger. Yeah, I hope you've liked seeing my video. Hope you like seeing what I've got in my box, and I will update you soon on what I plan to make with everything. So thank you so much for watching. If you've liked what you've seen, please subscribe. Please hit the bell button to be notified when I put out a new video, and if you have any suggestions of what to make with the double gauze, they will be gratefully received. So yes, thank you very much. See you later. Bye.